Hey guys, today I'm going to do a draw this in your style. I'm going to be basing my art off of this art piece by Blanchiami. I hope that I said that correctly, but I'll have a link to their Instagram below. I love their art and I love this one. I'm going to use these Copic pens. I am going to show you this Posca pen I end up not using. I am going to use my dark watercolors. I'm going to use my Big Ol' Pan of watercolors, which is now put back together again. I'm drinking a bubbly. I'm listening to Behind the Bastards, and I am ready to go. So I really like this piece, but I had a lot of ideas for it, so I did the pencil before recording just because I didn't want this video to be way too long with me trying to get out my ideas. I originally had the character with a side profile like in the original, but I just wasn't feeling it, so I decided to do a 3/4 profile. I also really wanted to give this character horns, so that might have been part of why I made that decision. With the 3/4 profile, I felt like you could see more under the umbrella, which is where the horns would go. So yeah, that was kind of my big change that I made to the character. I think I also ended up making their hair a little bit shorter, but that's kind of a personal touch too, I guess. But I hope you enjoy.